channel. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 8 delicious, extraordinary, filling, colorful, brilliant salads. So I have 3 salads for you that are more traditional salads that have arugula or kale. They've got like leafy greens to them. But for those of you who don't want a lot of greens or lettuce in your salad, the majority in this video don't have any of that stuff, okay? I promise you anybody can find a salad or maybe 2 or 3 or 8 in this video that you will absolutely love. Now, before we get started with our beautiful salads, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna start this off with one of my favorite salads of all time, my maple mustard tempeh salad. The tempeh is marinated in maple mustard vinaigrette dressing sort of thing, and that same dressing is used to massage kale to perfection. So it's tender and delicious, full of flavor. It's so good. And the salad is also tossed with sweet potato and beets. This is a wonderful salad all year round, but it is definitely more of an entree salad. It is very filling, lots of protein, all that good stuff, not necessarily a side salad. When I don't want to spend a lot of time making my salad, I opt for this absolutely amazing Mediterranean salad. It's so easy. It's just 5 ingredients, or if you make your own salad dressing, it might be a few more, but super easy. You have your greens. I like to use arugula or spinach, something that I don't actually have to take the time to massage, like kale, you know? And you toss that with tomatoes, chickpeas, cucumber, a really nice dressing. And then to bulk it up more, I like to add some pita. You can also try it with quinoa, with farro, some other grain to just give it more heftiness. You know what I mean? Next on the list, my arugula sweet potato salad with a very refreshing, delicious grapefruit vinaigrette. Now, if you don't have grapefruit, you can totally swap that out for lemon or lime. I love lime vinaigrette as well. Any citrus will do. Or if you don't have citrus, you could even use a vinegar. Easy to swap these things out. But anyway, that salad is great. It's got sweet potatoes in it. The arugula is so wonderful for salads because it's peppery and kind of spicy and fresh. And I especially love eating this salad all summer long as an entree salad. One of my favorite things to eat, in the summertime especially, is Panzanella salad. Panzanella is a bread salad, so instead of romaine or lettuce, you use bread. It's so good, and it's soaked in the dressing, and you toss it with herbs and tomatoes, and for this one, also peaches. This is a wonderful salad, especially if you have your own garden and you have lots, very, bounties of herbs that you need to use up. Panzanella is always a winner. So good for summer, refreshing. Take it to a cookout, picnic. I love this one. For something a little different, you've got to try my beet soba noodle salad. I love this one. Now, this recipe actually adapted from a cookbook called Salad Samurai, which is amazing. And in the recipe, you use beets, cucumber, and you basically toss that with soba noodles, but with this really tasty dill dressing. I love it. It's wonderful all year round, but because it's a cold noodle salad, it's especially good in spring and in summer. Everybody loves cauliflower, and what better way to eat cauliflower than roasting it and then turning that into a salad. I love salads with roasted vegetables. So in this one we have the cauliflower, also sweet potato. It's so hearty and filling and flavorful and beautiful and colorful. And this salad, you can eat it all year round. It's really tremendous to add to your meal prep. It's also easy to make, so make sure you add this to your meal prep. Now you have to have, everybody must have a great pasta salad in their rotation, and this is mine. This avocado pesto, yes, delicious. Avocado pesto pasta salad, I love. Again, this is perfect for meal prep. It is so easy to make. What I do is make the avocado pesto, avocado and basil and all these good things, pumpkin seeds, blend that up. And for the pasta, I like to toss that with grilled vegetables. So divine. Toss it all together. You can eat it throughout the week, eat it one sitting if you're me because you love pasta. It's so yummy. And finally, my marinated white bean salad. This video would not be complete without that salad. It is so good. I love beans. What can I say? There are so many different things you can do with beans, and bean salads take it to the next level. They're the bomb. I love them. And I think you're gonna love this one too. I use white beans. I like to use really gigantic Corona beans. They are humongous, with tomatoes and a really simple vinaigrette. Let the beans marinate in that overnight. Again, an amazing recipe for your meal prep. It just gets better as the days go. Oh, so wonderful. And the great thing about salads is you can mix them all together, so you can have a little bit of the white bean salad with a side of the avocado pesto pasta salad, with a side of the Mediterranean salad, and then maybe some of the panzanella. Imagine how delicious that would be. These recipes especially would all be so good for meal prep. Imagine how well you would eat that week. Like, wow. So those are my delicious, filling, colorful, beautiful, all the good stuff vegan salads. Give them a try. Let me know which one you're gonna give a try first. And if you have a favorite salad recipe, let us know in the comment section down below. Now, these that I mentioned in this video, I'm sharing these especially because I love them, but also I have video footage of them to put in a video. But I also have even more salads on my blog. So I'm gonna link all the salads that I mentioned here in this video, and I'll also link some more salad recipes, a list of other salad recipes on my blog. So if you are a salad person like I am, you are going to love that. Check it out, it's in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up if you like what you saw, and a comment down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, thanks for watching.